and in today's video we're going to be reacting to another drop test. The big and baddest phone from Samsung, the guys in the 20 Ultra versus the big and baddest phone from Apple, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this is most likely the last drop test of the year. So while I've watched other drop test videos in the past, now we've seen that okay, the Note 20 Ultra has survived a lot, and also the iPhone 12 Pro did well in the last drop test video we reacted to. So now this is the Pro Max and the Note 20 Ultra. Let's see which phone is going to survive. Let's see which phone is going to be the king of the drop test for 2020. My money is on the Note 20 Ultra. I don't know who your money is on. You guys drop your phones in the comments.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Let's see. And yeah, let's get into the video. So we're about to get into the drop test video. We're about to watch the first drop test video. Yeah, so round one.
Round number one.
Backdrop, as usual.
3, 2, 1.
And the way the Note 20 Ultra just went off like that. Let's check the back.
Unfortunately, cracks. It's not the worst result we've ever seen. The cracks are mostly contained to the top left edge with a few minor scratches across the
The 20 Ultra top left edge again.
iPhone 12 Pro Max, it's night and day. The iPhone's glass remains fully intact.
And nothing happened to the 12 Pro Max. Wow, that's mad.
Stainless steel frame being
But like the stainless steel.
there's definitely
So
scuffs going along the edges of the frame itself, but I would take that over cracked glass any day of the week, giving the iPhone.
actually, if we look at these two devices right now, I'll actually prefer that it's just the edges that gets like scratched or something like that than for my glass back to crack. So like I think this first round we give it to the iPhone 12 Pro Max.
The easy win in round number one. Round number two.
Round number two, corner drop.
Neither phone suffers too much damage from that corner drop.
So like this corner drop, not really bad, nothing really bad happened to these two phones, just some minor things that you can leave it. You can actually leave it if something like this happens to your phone. So yeah, it's a basic something.
Okay.
Moment of truth, face drop.
Both phones surprisingly survive without any real damage.
And this is it's okay. So like this is the reason why Samsung and Apple are the kings of smartphones. Like they are the kings in the Android land. Samsung rules. Apple is the only phone in iOS, so they rule in their own land special. Like these two phones, they've been the two top companies. They've been like the Messi and Ronaldo of the smartphone world, and this is why they are ruling, because face drop, none of them, like none cracks. Levels now. Levels. There are levels to this kind of things, to be honest. There are levels. So let's get back to the video.
Backdrop is a similar story for the iPhone, with the stainless steel frame taking a good part of the damage with scuffs going across the frame. Whereas on the Notes, since it has those curved edges of the screen, there isn't as much visible damage. Outside of a few scuffs to the top and the bottom of the frame, the Note almost looks like it wasn't dropped at all.
Well, like the Note still looks fresher, sir. The Note still looks fresher.
But this time, it's a small edge for the Notes in round number 3, bonus round. Okay, so with both phones passing our 15-point inspection, they move on to the bonus round, where they're dropped from higher up onto a smooth steel surface in order to test their impact and
So we obviously know how the bonus round goes, like 1.5 meters, like this tall, very tall. You can't even see my hand, but like yeah, very tall. And we drop the phone, they drop the phone face flat 10 times. Like this phone won't survive it. This phone will die. It's already dead. But like okay, let's get into the video.
Ultra was able to survive all 10 bonus drops.
And we know that Note 20 Ultra has survived the 10 bonus drops before. We know that. So it's time for us to see if the iPhone 12 Pro Max can survive. It should actually survive because the 12 Pro did pretty well. If you like, the 12 Pro did well, so the 12 Pro Max should survive. Don't you guys feel me? Yeah. So let's see. First one. First drop, nothing happened.
Glass is still good, and everything seems to be working without any problem. So we'll keep on going.
second drop, third drop, fourth, fifth.
5 drops in and nothing. The iPhone still looks
Mad.
great.
This
Even
is
the
mad.
glass is still fully intact. Sometimes we've seen phones crack on the back just due to the sheer impact of this test, but nothing. Outside of the frame, this still looks like an iPhone that has...
So 5 drops in and the phone is still sexy. It's still good.
Last drop in 3, 2, 1. A full 10 drops onto steel later, and the iPhone is
Woo!
going strong.
Woo!
The glass is fully intact.
So
The display has no visible damage. The touchscreen
wow,
is just like
I'm actually happy for smartphone companies this year, like especially Apple and Samsung, because basically these are like the two phones were for Apple reacted to drug tests. Like we know that normally phones crack. Samsung and Apple phones crack because they are made with glass, like glass cracks. No matter how strong the glass is, it's always crack. But like they've actually tried, because no mad person, like no normal person will actually drop their phone 10 times face flat consecutively. So when you put that your screen protector on and obviously your case and your phone falls, at least it's now you feel better that okay, the phone fell down and it's not like my phone, my screen, like you're just like, oh my phone, yeah, just clean it and you know that okay, the screen is still good. Like because these phones are not protected, no cases, no screen guard, and you can see how they are surviving this drop test. This is why I love drop tests. I will never do one drop test of my own. We'll just be reacting because I can't destroy a phone. God, that would be so sad.
We move on to the next block, bringing back that concrete block for a rougher surface. But
So now they're dropping it on top concrete.
1.5 meters. All right.
Both of them.
2, 1.
And let's see, face flat on top concrete, because before it was on top steel.
And after that base drop onto concrete from higher up, the note screen finally
Woo!
the iPhone screen still remains fully
Whoa!
intact.
So
And
the final drop on top concrete, I lost. Like just gonna say I lost because I know I put my money on the note, but like the note screen cracked. The iPhone screen didn't crack. So like that ceramic shield, Apple claiming that they put a tougher glass on top of the iPhone. This is the toughest glass on top of any iPhone, like very strong. This actually, it held up. Like it held up. Apple Tim Cook, kudos to you guys. You guys are the main OG. So the Apple iPhone is not only sexy, it's not only fast, it's durable. Like wow. So iPhones are no longer fragile. They are that's nice. That's very nice.
They don't like it, I don't naughty, but she got your pump if you give her cucumber.
incredible performance by both
Wow.
phones, to be honest. But clearly, the iPhone 12 Pro Max gets the edge here. The stainless steel frame has a good number of scuffs
Wow.
on it, good number of miscontrolled environments.
Like
Rubber miscontrolled the battery tests for the iPhone 12
so like basically the only thing that spots on the iPhone is the stainless steel sides. Like those are the only places you'll see the scratches. But like throughout the whole drop test, the back didn't crack, the camera lenses didn't crack, nothing happened to the lenses, the front didn't crack. So if I'm using a phone, I would prefer that okay, something happens to the sides than my screen, because like my screen is very important to me. Like the screen is what I look at every day, so I will not be happy if I'm looking at this cracked screen. And this is mad. Like if your money is on the iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max, get it. Don't get the 12 if you are thinking about durability. The link to the last drop test between the 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max is down below, so you guys should check out that video, because the 12 Pro did really well, but like 12 Pro Max, just check out the video if you guys are looking for it. So yeah, thanks guys, this is the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Like I'll be doing a Q&A soon, so like drop your comments below. Yeah, drop your comments below and or questions, anyone, or you can go over to my Instagram page and just drop it there in the Q&A section. So either way, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.